Gang, so we got us a tsunami warning happening today. This is everybody trying to leave. The ocean is back that way. These are people that either live in lowlands like we do or working their way up the mountain. So of course traffic is crazy. We got a couple hours until it possibly hits. I'm going to go secure some things from my office. My office is down there, which is technically underground, which is not good for this type of situation. But I just wanted to get some footage. Hey, this is the harbor. The water looks fine so far, but you see the boats are going out. And over there, the coasties will be grabbing whatever small craft and bringing it out. When there's a tsunami like this, all the boats need to actually go in the ocean and not be at the dock. Because if they're at the dock, they get slammed inland. Down there is all the traffic of all the people trying to get up the mountain. The fire trucks are already on deck trying to evacuate any old people. And downtown, it's hard to tell, but it's an absolute madhouse. But yeah, this is going to be your guys' video today. And hopefully everything passes and there'll be another video that I can post to let you know that we're safe. But as a content creator, I said I'm gonna make a video every day. Today, this video is called Squeezing the Butt and Praying for the Best. All right, for my evac situation, this is my hasty displacement. And this kit right here, there are Mac Minis. This middle kit is a bunch of camera gear, lenses, whatever. They were kind of sort of already packed, so I just had to throw it in there. But I grabbed this mini batteries. V-mount batteries is everything in case we have a power outage because I can power small lights with that. So this is a case where it's good to be a content creator and have battery operated lights and cameras. And the last one is my Mac Studio, just because I don't want to lose any data. All the hard drives that were sitting on the desk, I just grabbed them and threw them in there. The camera bag mostly stays packed, and the Mac Mini bags stays mostly packed because that's our show kit. But it's nice to have these kind of cases. They are a little pricey, and you can get the cheaper Harbor Freight versions. But in case of quick displacement or emergency flood, things where they could get wet, these are nice because these are super waterproof. They're super strong. And it's very easy to just quickly grab what you need to do a hasty displacement, grab all your stuff and go. Now, of course, life is more important than equipment. If you're ever in a situation where you're going to be in danger, skip that. Don't be like those idiots in the plane class trying to grab their bags and slide down the chute, almost break their necks. But you do want to be able to grab what you can and go. So it's nice to have a go bag ready. If you already have a go bag, let me know in the comment section below. If not, tell me what you should put in your go bag and let's think about getting it packed. Oddly enough, there's a rainbow. All right, so this is right before and all the boats need to leave the harbor. So everybody's finally getting out. The rain is starting to come. The harbor master is going to make a last check before they kick everybody out. And you can already see on the opposite side of the island, it's already starting to pour. And the big dogs got to get out. These tugboats are pulling out all of the last containers that were in the harbor. These are container ships that didn't get a chance to unload. I'm sure they unloaded as many as they could before, but now the tugboats are pulling it out to the rest of the harbor.